Dribbling. Dribbling is the act of continuously bouncing the ball with one hand while in possession, allowing a player to move the ball down the court. Types of dribble. We have the control dribble, the speed dribble, the between the legs dribble, the behind the back dribble, the crossover dribble, dynamic dribbling. Passing. The act of a player deliberately throwing the ball to a teammate. Types of passing. The bounce pass, chest pass, overhead pass. And last, the push pass. Shooting. Shoot means to throw the ball towards the basket with the intent of scoring points. Types of shooting. Layup, reverse layup, jump shot, floater, hook shot, set shot.